Good morning, Shaun.
Morning, Jay. How are you?
Why are we here, Shaun?
Actually, nice to see you working today, Jay.
Stop saying that. Just give me the intro of why we're here.
We're here at one of the factories where we're doing the renovation of our boats. So this is something we do every year, where every boat comes out of the water for 20 days. And part of the renovation is we strip the boat all the way back to its fiberglass.
Make it naked.
Patch up the fiberglass if needed. And then we're going to go and put the paint all the back on, and then on the inside we strip all the paint out and paint on the inside. Then we take the engines off, we take the engines apart, check any parts that might need to be fixed or upgraded, and then we put the engines on, put the roof back on, put the boat back onto a trailer and into the water.
And you're doing all that work, yeah?
Yeah, so we have a factory here that does it.
No, you're doing it, yeah?
Personally?
Yeah.
No, I used to do it.
So why are you here now then?
So I come to inspect to make sure that the boat meets my standards. I'm here with our executive manager and our maintenance manager. Our maintenance manager comes every day to check the boats. And this is the last month that we'll be doing renovations, because when people ask me, we want to go on your newest boat, the answer is they all are almost new, because all of them have been through renovation this year.
Cool, right, have fun. I'll follow you around for a bit.
Well, you should come and do a day here and you can learn it all yourself.
I've been here before. People have seen our videos. I've done it many times.
No, you could do like the whole boat yourself.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
You buy me an old boat and I'll do it up. Is this ours?
Yeah. So they've painted the body, but not the bottom. The bottom they'll paint last. The bottom is where they do all the stripping, and they probably would have done some fiberglass work on the bottom as well.
I love the smell of fiberglass. Oh, look at that, some advertising. You're wearing your zebra shirt today.
Thank you.
Shaun, when's this one going in the water? Not this weekend?
You can see they stripped this all out.
Oh yeah, all the stickers have gone.
Yeah, this boat I think is another 10 days away from getting into the water.
Wow, who's that lady in the 5-star shirt?
It's Kunad. She's the big boss.
Hi, big boss.
Hi.
And who's this handsome man who looks like he should be from the 1980s, 1900s?
It's engineer D.
Hi.
Hi. So you can see the engines are missing.
What? How's it going to go, Shaun, if there's no engines?
They're off.
Ooh.
Those engines are off doing their yearly maintenance at another factory. The back deck here will get redone as well.
The back what, sorry?
The back deck.
Okay.
They'll remove all the wood, they'll patch up the metalwork, and off they go again.
All right, have you got things to do? Shall I just go and record some stuff while you go and ask some questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of our spare engines.
Oh, Suzuki engines, they're my favourite. They're probably the best engines ever, aren't they, Shaun?
No.
Well, that's a good shot, look at that. Right, I'll go check out the boats, thanks. Hey, look, I found a boat. This is Lisa too. She should be going back in the water soon. She's looking good. Let's find out what's happening. Hey team, what's happening here?
So this is Lisa 2, and we're actually putting a new roof on it, you can see.
Oh, look, he's actually doing some work.
Full fiberglass roof. And then I think we'll be putting some new poles in for supporting it as well.
Some poles, what, to do some dancing?
For you.
For me?
Yes.
Woo woo! Cool, man. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Good job on the roof, mate. That's awesome. Are you happy?
We're a little bit behind.
What?
But that's normal. Any renovation processes are always a little bit behind. But
Are you going to kick
time.
their butts?
No. Just polite, pleasant communication about how we'd like it to be done faster.
What's happening, Shaun?
You know, the biggest part of maintenance is scheduling when the boat will go back in the water, so we can be sure that we have it ready for our guests. So it looks like Lucas 9 will go in on the 1st of October.
Allegedly.
Lucas 10 on the 15th.
Allegedly.
And then Lisa 2, after her very big renovation, will come on the 15th of October.
Allegedly. I'm just covering our backs just in case.
Yeah. I get it.
Cool, man.
So now I got to ring the office and let them know so that they can plan boats out.
Cool. Are we going back now?
Yeah, we're done. There's one more boat in another factory, but it's a very long way away, so I send the staff to do it.
Okay, thanks. Happy?
Happy Jay, thank you very much.
Bye.
Means you might have a boat to play on soon.
Woo woo! Get to go out on the water. Hold on. Hang on, that was only for the shot. Hold on. It was only for the shot. Ah. Okay. Woo woo. Bye.